I'm a wife, I'm a mom of two. I didn't smile on my wedding pictures. I didn't smile when my babies were born. I wanted to smile. I was just too ashamed. Hi, my name is Azra. I came here all the way from the United States to get my dream smile. During my teenage years, I had very bad experience with the dentist. I was discovered follicular cyst in my jaw, and to remove that, he suggested to extract my teeth. That was very traumatic and painful experience for me, which led to developing dental phobia, feeling of shame, which created even more issues for me because I started avoiding dentists. I would literally just go when I'm in like a lot of pain. And that created, over the years, that created like serious issues for my teeth. Like, you name it. I had crossbite, I had missing teeth, I had overcrowded teeth, I was grinding my teeth at night, I had discoloration from my old fillings, I had cavity, all kinds of problems. I felt like in the United States, like there was no dentist that could have given me what I wanted. And honestly, like, I'm young, I didn't want to get dentures. I just didn't. So I started researching. I've heard that people go to Mexico, to Colombia, to I don't know, like third world countries to get their makeovers. But one day, as I was like scrolling through Instagram, I came across the Maltepe Dental Clinic, and I was just so amazed by the work they do. Like, I was just sitting there, like scrolling their pictures, looking before and after pictures, and I was just like, oh my God, like, this is what I need. And of course, me having phobia and feeling of shame, I didn't reach out to them at first. I was spying on their page for probably a year. And then one day I saw this post of one severe case. And I was like, oh my God, if they were able to fix this, they will fix me, like, for sure. Right that moment, I reached out to them and they replied in like 10 minutes. The doctor called me right away. Like, right that day, I had conversation with the doctor. I sent him pictures. He gave me like rough estimate of the price. And a few days later, I booked my flight and I flew all the way to Turkey to get my smile. Transportation was super easy. Like, I was picked at the airport. I was transferred to the hotel. The hotel is super nice. Everyone is super nice, like from a person who organized everything, the doctor. When I tell you, I've seen some dentists, and I've had work done, like, but from what I experienced here, I've never seen that before. Like the hospitality, the warmth, the friendliness, like not even in 1 second I felt like someone is judging me because of my previous look. The doctor is super gentle. I was afraid, like on my first appointment, like right before he started, I told him, can you please like put some spray or something before anesthesia? And he was like, no, you won't feel anything. I promise you that. I was like, okay. So he gave me anesthesia and I felt nothing, like nothing. And yeah, after first appointment to this day, it's been only 5 days. Unbelievable. Like in 5 days, I got like full mouth restoration, like full makeover. Like it's just, for me, unbelievable. I couldn't be happier. I can finally smile. Like I missed that part of my life. Last time I smiled on a picture was maybe in my teenage years, and now I'm a wife, I'm a mom of 2. I didn't smile on my wedding pictures. I didn't smile when my babies were born. Like, now I just can't wait to make up for those moments. It's very important for me to have this because I work in early child education. I talk to the people every day. I work with small children. I'm expected to smile all the time, to be this happy, smiley, encouraging person. Like I need to be that person for those kids, to give them comfort, to give them love, everything. And like my previous smile was just putting me back from all that. And now I feel like I finally can be myself. Like I'm not that grumpy person that some people on first sight, like they would think like, oh, she never smiles, she's so grumpy, she thinks like she's on top of everyone. Like, no, that's not me. Like I wanted to smile. I was just too ashamed. And now I feel like this is real me, like this smiley, bubbly person. All thanks to Maltepe Dental Clinic. Every single person in this clinic is just amazing. And thank you so much for giving me my smile back. I feel like I got a second chance in life. I brought my mom. She got new smile too. Her smile is so perfect now. I absolutely loved my new smile, and I've been enjoying my new smile ever since the first day I got it. I wanted to be, all over the place, but my smile was holding me back. And I feel like ever since I got my new smile, like the real me just like came out. Like this is me, like smiley, bubbly person. I feel like a completely new woman with my new smile. Absolutely. And I want to add one more thing. Okay, this message goes to all the people around who feel insecure with their smile, who feel trapped in their body, sad. They feel like they just cannot be themselves, like they're holding back inside. This message is for you to check this clinic, and I can guarantee you they will not only bring smile to your face again, but they will change your entire life, because they did change mine. And I absolutely love my new smile. And I've been smiling every single day ever since I got my new teeth.
I never really paid attention to the fact that I never completely smiled. When I smile, I usually hold back my smile, or I smile with my mouth closed. Yeah, my name is Joseph, and I am from the United States of America. I live in Indiana, and yeah, I'm here in Turkey. I wanted to get my mouth taken care of. I wanted to get a complete makeover, if you want to call it that. Of course, this is a more permanent makeover, so it's not temporary. So yeah, my wife told me about this place. She did some research. She and I both wanted to get treatment here, and it turns out, due to circumstances, that I was the only one that was able to get the treatment, and it was pretty quick. I mean, we got it done in 1 week. So here we are today. I came in pretty, I mean, you probably see my before picture, but I came in less than desirable, and now I am very good looking. So, you know, I decided it for me, it was because of my wife. I don't want to say that I did it for myself only, but she encouraged me. And it was not that she didn't like the way I looked, but she encouraged me because she too was going to get the same treatment, and we felt like we both could use this, and it would be good because I'm on camera as well. I do stuff at home and for my channel, and I wanted to be presentable. I really wanted to get another boost of confidence visually, and this is why I did it. I never really paid attention to the fact that I never completely smiled. When I smile, I usually hold back my smile, or I smile with my mouth closed. My wife will say, smile, show some teeth, and I'm like, whatever. But it was just subconscious. It was just what I was doing subconsciously. So I wasn't paying attention to the fact that I wasn't really smiling, but now I'm going to be paying way more attention to that. So it's pretty great. I mean, I'm going to have to get used to the fact that this is a completely different look for me. I have to get used to this because I'm looking forward to showing the people when I get home. They're going to wonder what happened to me. Where did I go? How did this happen? Why? But I'm pretty excited, and I know this is for the long term. You know, it was a great experience. I mean, for me, I can say it was a great experience because I didn't have a lot of problems coming into this. I didn't have issues that could prevent or make my treatment a little more painful. I didn't, you know, so I think it ran very smooth. All things considered, it ran very smooth. And I will have to say I was very afraid of dentistry. You know, I was very afraid of drills and sounds and things like that. I mean, and just injections. Okay, guys, it's okay. That's the worst part. But once you pass that, it's worth it for what's the end result. First of all, we went to Turkey a year ago. So I already knew that Istanbul is an amazing city. It's a big city. I already knew that this is also a city that a lot of people come to for medical treatment, for hair, for dental, for cosmetic reasons. I know that this is a place that people come to from around the world. So there's a reason for that, because there's a lot of great people doing great jobs, but it's nowhere near the price that it would be if I had this done in my home country. So why Turkey? Well, because both my wife and I could get it done for half the price of what it would cost me alone to do it in the United States. So second of all, my wife and I love Istanbul. So we love the people, we love the culture. So it was easy for us to choose this place. And then third of all, the people are professional. I mean, I don't feel like I'm, like this was a scam or anything like that at all, because I wasn't even hesitant, right? There was no question. I just knew that this would be the place. So it was great having you as a manager to be able to help translate for me. So if you're coming from a country where, your language barrier, you're worried about not being able to have a conversation or to understand your treatment, just know that they'll do whatever they need to do to make sure that there's no language barrier. So don't be afraid of that. And then they're going to make you feel comfortable. You're going to get your treatment. It'll be done quickly, assuming there's no issues, of course, along the way, but it will happen quickly and you'll be happy you did it. So there you go.
That's what I'm looking for.